Morning. I think we haven't checked in a while.
Freeway exit 10 on the right.
We haven't checked in since morning, but yeah, it's Sunday morning and we checked out of the hotel and we're on our way to visit a church. One of our friends from a long time that we knew is pastor for a church fairly in the area, so we're gonna go on our way home. We're gonna just go to the church and then, you know, head back to the MIA. Good
morning. I'm trying to navigate this road here. Exit 10, and I'm trying to see where I go. Yeah. So it's a beautiful morning in Tampa, Florida.
And it's a beautiful trip. It was a beautiful trip.
And it was a little bit hectic because we had, you know, little stuff to do. But at least I get in a day of jogging or walking or running or whatever. And yeah. I'm on a toll road now. I'm gonna know if I do.
Actually, it's all. Yeah. So yeah, we will definitely keep you all posted.
We're lost. 16 minutes.
It's good to be honest.
Yeah. So we don't know where we're there. We don't know where we're there. Me I follow GPS and the GPS I carry me over oceans. You see? You know, we're going some far place now. We're in Tampa Bay and we're going over some big bridge. Hey, sometimes as Joshua said, it's good to be lost. So take in the views, guys. Take in the views. Woohoo! We are so lost.
Did we come over this bridge when we were coming?
Nope. Yes, sir. It's a beautiful day though, isn't it? In SoFlo. It's a great day to be lost. We are the lost ones, my friend. Da da da. Show them where the GPS is. GPS is almost go over our Franklin Bridge.
The GPS saying we're 14 minutes away, right? But when I check the Facebook page for the church and click directions, it's saying 1 hour away.
Hey, I know we last at the church last. You see me?
St. Petersburg. We're in the town of St. Petersburg now.
Right turn on 1st Street North.
Which is where the church is.
5 miles.
St. Peterborough Apartments.
How does a church have private?
Trinity Lutheran Church. You see? So we're downtown St. Petersburg, and the ocean is just over there. Yeah, and we have little shops and stuff. It's Sunday morning, so a lot of them are not open, and the ones that are open are probably just setting up. Yeah, but we just drive around a little bit and then we head out. Our trip to the church was a bust. No longer, the church is no longer there apparently. And so we're head down. We're head out of the Tampa Bay area and I head to the Miami area or wherever area we are head to. We go south. So we keep you posted on what we're going. Let's see what's going on with the toll. So we just made a quick stop at the last rest stop on Highway 275. It's been an adventurous day or an eventful day, and trying to head home. But this is a good place to stop and just take in nature a little bit. Yeah. There is what is called the Skyway coming up. You can see it down there to my right. Let me see if we can zoom in a little bit. And yeah, just giving you a final view before we head out of this particular area. Alright, and this is the Skyway information right here. Yeah. So, May 1980 it was built, erected. Come son. Let's go. The sun is hot in SoFlo. Super hot. See the wifey there. As I said, we got up this morning with the intention to go to church, but never worked out. Yeah, so we just head back in our area. Hey girl.
Yes, sir.
You good?
Yes, sir.
Everything is fine?
Yes, sir. I'm about to eat my banana.
You eat the banana?
That's not all right.
You look so cute. You look very cute. That dress that looks so nice. I will pick it out.
Me.
Oh please, too wicked. Oh, I saw the fish, Josh. Joshua. I saw the fish. Yeah. Hello. Huh? I didn't get to because I don't know what happened. But it just jumped out of the water. Now she will. I will force her to believe. You need to believe. Yeah man, so that's how the thing said. It's a very, very cute day. Very cute. Sun is hot though. And we're heading to the Skyway next. We never know about down there, so babes.
What is that?
It's like a fish. Oh, the fishing port. We could have gone
Look at
over
the
there.
high bridge.
Yeah?
The high bridge.
I'm saying we could have gone over there and park. This is the Skyway in Tampa, in St. Petersburg, South St. Petersburg. And it is an awesome bridge that connects the little Gulf of St. Petersburg, Tampa area to the mainland of South Florida. So I wanted you to get a good look at this one. We said we can come over on the side here so you can see a little bit more of the ocean.
When the oceans rise and thunders roar.
And it's a suspension bridge, you know, see?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man. Look at the girl videotaping while she's going over the bridge.
Yeah.
Josh, try to catch her. Let's look at this bridge.
So beautiful.
It's a new one.
Yeah, relatively.
I just want you to know.
See that awesome?
You're my favorite.
And now we're way high. Look over the water. We're seeing all of the mainland of South Florida ahead of us.
Look back there.
Look, this is the mainland. You see it? Look on the view there.
Ooh la la. So awesome.
It is really, really awesome.
It's so
Really
awesome.
Trust me. Yeah, man, this is South Florida. The whole of the mainland we're heading towards right now. To my right, there's the fishing pier on the other side of the bridge. Yep. Yes, sir.
That's my baby. That's a fishing pier? It's a pretty long pier too.